Pitman Shorthand New Era. Exercise number 12. We shall be lucky if we get any money for doing the job. Full stop. Maybe the lunch can be given on a different day. Full stop. A talk was to be given on the topic inverted commas begin feeding the family. Full stop inverted commas close. Eva was talking of going to Manitoba in May. Full stop. If they wish to make any money, comma, they will have to do the job in a different way. Full stop. The wood was too thick. Full stop. It was an inch in width, comma, so we had to ship it back. Full stop. We wish to know if it will make any difference to them if we ship the load of coal today. Full stop. The change may be put into effect in May. Full stop. We have no wish to make a change which will affect so many, comma, but they have a different way of looking at it. Full stop. If we can think of any way of doing the thing in a different way, comma, we shall ask them to come in to see us. Full stop.